What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. Well, today you can see the name over there. We're at Phoenix Park Village, and I know you guys have been asking me for an update. I know you guys have been sending your comments, but I just want to thank you guys for being patient with us. We have to ensure that we have accurate information to give you, so therefore we have reached out to Gore Development and asked them what's happening with the project. I know persons are really interested in asking about what is happening at phase 5. So basically what they're saying is that they're doing it by blocks. So guys, for persons who have already made their purchase, your block will be given to you by your sales rep. Alright, so what they are saying is that persons have already started moving it to the development for phase 5, but they're going block by block. So just reach out to your sales rep and then they will be able to tell you when your block will be available to you. Alright, and I know that you guys want an update on Phoenix Park Village 2. Guess what? I'll give that to you guys when we head on down to the new gate that they're building down by phase 5. As you know, this is a very big development. Persons have been complaining about entering into this main gate to go to phase 3 and phase 4 and phase 5. So therefore there's a new gate there. So we're going to head on down to that side so you guys can see what's happening. So let's go. We're here at the second gate. As you can see, it's almost similar to the first. And guys, going at about 40 kilometers per hour, it will take you approximately 2 minutes to get to the second gate. Alright? So just imagine for persons walking from the first gate to phase 5. So, like I said, contact your sales agent and they can provide you with the details on when your unit will be available. Alright? And for the news that persons have been asking us about Phoenix Park Village 2, guys, it is still coming. I know it's a long wait, but the start date for this project was set for 2023. However, they are actually working on getting the project started in 2022. So hopefully that can manifest and then you guys can get a unit earlier than the expected date. So for persons who are interested in Phoenix Park Village 2, I implore you, you have enough time to go on and get your pre-qualification letter from your financial institution. If you're going through the National Housing Trust, go ahead, get your eligibility letter ready. We don't know exactly when this project is going to begin, but you want to ensure that when they make the announcement, you are able to go ahead and put in your application. Alright? A question I've asked them is that if the persons from the waiting list from this first development, Phoenix Park Village, if those persons will be getting preferential treatment, the answer is no. It will be thrown out to the public just like they did with this development. So you don't want to be at a disadvantage. Make sure you have your deposit ready, you have time, and make sure you get your pre-qualification letter and have it. Some last for 6 months, some for 3. Just ensure say you get one now. If it expire, get another one. It's simple. It's simple. You don't want to lose out on the opportunity when it comes. So we're going to try and give you guys an aerial shot of this development. We might not be able to cover the entire span, but I'll try my best to show you how beautiful this development is. So it will give you a general idea of what to expect in Phoenix Park Village 2. It can only get better than this, guys. I really don't expect any less, so it can only get better. So here what? Get your stuff ready, your deposit, your pre-qualification letter, get your documents in terms of your ID and everything else ready, and we will definitely provide you guys with an update. Alright, so with that said, I want you guys to just enjoy this aerial shot, and thank you for your patience, and thank you for making it Chris Arms. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you are new, turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss the updates from us, and enjoy this video. So until next time, guys, we'll see you in another one. So peace out from Chris Arms.